Hello YouTube. I'm sorry. It's been a while since I posted, but I wanted to let you guys know we are moving to our new house. I'm so happy. So, just a little, today is moving day, but pretty soon I will, when we're all moved in, I will do a tour. But for now, here it is, guys. Our little house. But I love my ceiling. Oh my goodness. Okay. So this is the um my husband and I's uh little space. We are happy. So just wanna let you know it's the main house over there. We have a lot of to do first. It's a noisy outside because they're cutting the trees, clearing it, and gonna do little things at a time that we need to take care of. But I'm still trying to unpack. You see all the boxes around. I already have, this is one of the things that I have already put up and still unpacking. So anyway, I am just letting YouTube. I'm so sorry I haven't posted. It's been busy. I've been working hard. So we can try to, save up for this. But this in the bedroom is still a mess. Still a mess. But guys, I am very grateful. So I just want to let you know this is a big accomplishment for us. So never too late. If you work hard, it still can happen. With the house market, it's not easy, but we gonna be working hard and was able to finally get our permanent, our forever home, forever. So the kitchen is still a lot of remodeling the main house right there. And so basically we have our own, so it's total 3-bedroom there, 2-bedroom here. So I just want to update you. I'm gonna be busy. Okay, I will update when I am all unpacked. But thank you for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe and support me. Okay, everybody have a good day. It's Memorial Day. So that's what we're doing. Moving stuff and getting the new house ready. Thank you, guys. Please subscribe for my channel and support me. Thank you. Have a good day.